Isn't it cute? Great for the caterpillar.
Okay, I think we're recording now. Say hi to the camera people.
Hello everyone.
So, I'm sure that's Jeremy. I'm sure. Yes. Actually, that is Jeremy. That is the Jeremy. And this is Cory. I can't really tell if I'm white or not. Excuse my lack of words. That's Casey.
Hello.
She's a Crete.
What?
I need horror. This is Anthony.
Yeah, I just was sentimental in the hospital, so yay.
And I was discharged last year.
Yay.
I'm not. Anyway.
Now we're gonna go to the woods. Down there.
Into the woods.
This is pretty intense. I don't think I got anything like this.
Why are you filming? Oh, you are.
Parkour. Yeah, this is actually pretty freaking awesome. There's a hobo hut right there. In all its glory. And all the amazing nature. Dun 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 dun. This is really cool. Look, there's little, like, yeah. That's legit. Go, swing, 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 go.
Will I be able to come back in?
Yeah.
Should be.
Yes.
Go, Kyson!
So what do I do?
Run!
You run this way and go around in a circle. And you make sure you have to flip your body back around the right way so you land facing.
I'm in the tree thing.
Aww.
Come on, Kyson, you gotta do like a karate kick or some shit.
Come on, you're the karate kid.
Come on, Cory. Come on, Cory.
If I were to jump and grab onto that thing.
Use your bird call. Call it over. Nature.
You're not a barbarian.
A barbarian?
Barbarian.
A barbarian?
I like to wear Burberry.
Oh.
Ow! You're spiking! I don't want to get spiked.
Good job. Kyson made a dam. Yay! That's amazing. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, I failed crossing this. Look on my side.
From an after one, ladies and
And you get to see my awesome farmer's hand and hairy legs. I love you, Tina.
Although the rest of us managed to walk across it unscathed.
Everyone remains unscathed. Only they took off their shoes. And Cory is fine. And Kyson's dancing. That's so awesome.
IRL Weedle.
Make a beautiful eye. Get your Pokeball.
Alright people, so we have this rare poisonous caterpillar. I'm gonna catch it and eat it. Actually no, I'm not. But it's so furry and gross looking, how nasty. And it's got like 3 horn thingers. No, it's just like it's got TV antennas and then it's got like a receptor on its butt. Hey, Anthony! Donde estaba?
I thought this was gonna turn out like a horror movie where like, well, did you record how like Anthony was missing already?
No. You should totally climb the tree as I'm gonna attempt to do while filming. Yes. You can tell your story as I climb.
So, we totally thought this was gonna be a scenario like a horror movie where, you know, our friend Anthony goes off to his own path and then like gets killed by some weird scientist. And then Casey waits for him and then we take off and then Casey gets killed off. And then the comic relief person gets killed off, so that'd be either Cory or me.
What does that make me?
Token Asian.
Token
They're
Asian.
always the second last guy. The token racial.
They can't be racist anymore.
one of us would die.
Adam, me, and Cory die last.
One
We
step
would never
closer.
be found again like Blair Witch Project. Hi.
Hello, YouTube.
So I have to tell YouTube. What's your message for YouTube?
Don't do drugs, YouTube. Make sure you don't do drugs. It's a bad thing.
Look at that face. What about Kyson? Oh.
I'm high.
This is your brain on drugs.
Exactly.
Duck with ducklets, according to Cory.
I bet you that's daddy duck fishing and that's mama duck like
Escorting. That is adorable.
Jeremy, watch out!
Oh fuck!
Papa Duck's the boss. Alright. So Jeremy's gonna attempt to swing and do what I did and hang by my feet like a monkey.
Can't like put my feet up. I'm gonna
You
hit
just
Cory.
have to put your feet up through the bar.
Do I need to give a tutorial?
This is how.
I like to ride my handlebars with no bicycle.
Yeah, no, just
You're gonna get.
Let me come up with these guys. Hello.
Hello.
Oh fuck! You hit more dirt than you did air.
Yeah. I have lichen on my knee.
Lichen?
That's lichen.
who's liking your knee?
I'm like his knee. And now, surprise Asian.
And I'll tell you how.
Gotta get back to our car. Oh my god. We're getting close. Oh my god. God. Here we are. Everyone enjoying their Starbucks. Yum, yum, yum. You got a water? Or did you, oh, you already drank it all?
I drank it.
I got
The caramel looks really good.
a caramel macchiato with an extra shot of espresso. What'd you get? Apple cider?
Caramel apple cider.
What'd you get?
Got
Same.
Chai tea latte.
Oh.
Oh, I drank it already. Gone.
Scenery change. You were at Cory's house. Good day. Long day. Tiring day. Tina, I miss you and I love you. Now it's time for Cory's question of the day.
My question of the day is thus: what is your favorite outdoor activity? And please be sure to include details. Have a nice day.